Okay, let's start number 7 of this practice final exam. The distribution has the following quartile points. So Q1 is 16.2, Q2 is 44.3, and Q3 is 65.4. Which of the following is false? Now, one thing I did emphasize in class is that when you have a data set, now I don't actually have numbers to put in this data set, but these Q1, Q2, and Q3s, what they did is they split up your data set into 4 parts, where Q2 was the median of the data set, and then so it split the data set in halves, and then Q1 was the median of the lower half, Q3 was the median of the upper half, and each region represented 25% of the data. Now I actually have numbers for Q1, 2, and 3. So Q1 is 16.2, this is 44.3, and 65.4. Alright, so let's go see which one is false. The quartile deviation is 24.6. The formula for quartile deviation was Q3 minus Q1 over 2. And that's 65.4 minus 16.2 over 2. Well, that's 49.2 over 2, which is 24.6, which is what they say. So that one is true. The interquartile range. Now, interquartile range, they'll just label like that. That's just simply Q3 minus Q1, which is 65.4 minus 16.2, and that's 49.2, which is exactly what B is, so that one is true. 50% of the data is above 49.2. Okay, well, if you come over here and you look at the set, 50% of the data is above the median. Okay, 50% of the data is above the median. Now, 49.2 is somewhere like right here. Okay. And that, from here above, that is not 50%. Again, 50% median all the way to the top. Okay. Not 49.2. So this one's actually false. So my answer is going to be C. Now let's just double check. Let's see how what D and E are. 25% of the data is below 16.2. So if you go back here, here's 16.2. 25% of the data is below it. Well, that's exactly what this says right here. So that one's true. Approximately 50% of the data is between 16.2 and 65.4. Well, that's between Q1 and Q3. Well, you can see 25% plus another 25%. Yep, between Q1 and Q3, that's roughly, or it's 50%. So E is also true. So answer to number 7 is C.